Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is DOS Extreme Boom loud Bluetooth speaker with 60 watts mighty sound, deep bass. This speaker is 30 hours of playtime, IPX6, waterproof, portable outdoor speaker with strap for camping, beach, garage and outdoor activities. Audio output is surround. Input voltage 5 voltage. Mounting type tabletop. Special features 30 hours of playtime. Party sync mode. Extra bass. IPX6 waterproof. Built-in power bank for smartphone or tablet or your laptop with two 30 watts drivers and dual passive radiator featuring DSP technology. Allow for rich immersive audio in a high volume levels while maintaining clarity. Monstrous bass dual side passive radiator increase the air pressure for more powerful low end in a limited space. Lowering the bass to the extreme with single press on the bass button. Rechargeable battery powers up to 30 hours of playtime at 50% volume. Born for outdoor adventures. The waterproof speaker is covered with rugged and seamless material that can survive against spilled drink, rain, even water spray from all directions, not submerged in water. True wireless stereo pairing. Amp up your party phone by linking up to two DOS Extreme Boom portable speaker and get ready to rock the surrounding sound throughout the space. Flexible strap give you an extra grip to carry your outdoor speaker anywhere. We're going to check this stuff out and see what is inside. There we go. This is the strap. And C cable. This is the strap here. Very light, it's not heavy. You can see what it looks like. DOS Extreme. Plastic. So you take the strap, hook it up to this end, another strap to this end. Let's see what it looks like. I like the color, black color. Now at the back here, so you have DC in is for power, USB, aux, and TF card. Let's see what it looks like. To set this up, first of all, I want to charge this. So you connect the cable to DC in and connect this end USB, plug it on to the socket. Once you connect it to the power, switch it on. So you turn it on from this button. This button is bass. Minus is for you to decrease the volume. The center one is pause and play. The plus is for you to increase the volume. And this is M. You can see it's flashing blue. Flashing blue is Bluetooth pairing. solid blue, Bluetooth paired, solid red, aux in mode, solid green, T-card mode, solid white, party sync. So this button is party sync. This is mode for Bluetooth aux mode. We're going to connect this speaker using aux. Open this port. You see DC in, USB, aux, TF card. I'm going to show you how to connect this speaker and your laptop using aux cable. So take your aux cable and connect it to aux, and it's in. And once it's connected, the light on M will change to red. Then you take the other end of the cable and connect it to the laptop. So take the other end of the cable and connect it to the headphone port, your laptop, and it's in. Now we're going to test the audio. So we connected the cable to the headphone port. Which device to plug in? Headphone. Then you select OK. We're going to test the audio using upbeat sound. If you remove the cable, the music will no longer be playing. So if you connect it back, it will start to play. I'm happy with this speaker. I intentionally lowered the volume. And once it is connected with aux, if you want to increase the volume more, you need to control the volume using the speaker button, plus or minus. Minus is for you to decrease the volume, the plus is for you to increase the volume. Once you reach the maximum volume when it's connected to the laptop using aux, then you increase the volume using the speaker by pressing the plus. Decrease the volume by pressing the minus. If you want to pause the music, you select pause, the music will stop. If you press the pause button again, the music will start. I'm happy with this speaker. It deserves your attention. And also you have option for bass and also party up. It's very portable, can carry it to camping, various activity, for outdoor activity. I'm happy with this speaker. Thank you very much indeed.